Hello student. Now in the revision today we solve chapter number 6, which is triangle and its property. Okay, some questions in that. First one is fill in the blanks. Some blanks are there. Okay, first one is dash is the line segment join the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the side opposite it. Means vertex to midpoint of opposite side, that is called median. Okay, that is median. Now a perpendicular line segment from the vertex to a triangle to its opposite side is called perpendicular line segment from vertex to its opposite side, that is called altitude. Okay, from any vertex to opposite side of that vertex and make 90 degree perpendicular, means make 90 degree with that side, that is called altitude. The exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of its two. We know that exterior angle is equal to sum of its two interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. Okay. The dash is the greatest side of right angle triangle. Opposite side of right angle, that is called hypotenuse. Okay. So hypotenuse is the greatest side in right angle triangle. The sum of any two side of triangle is dash than third side, that is always greater than. Okay, so sum of two side is always greater than the third side, and difference of any two side is always less than the third one. Sixth one, if the dash property hold, the triangle must be right angle. Only one property for right angle is there, that is hold for right angle, that is Pythagoras. Pythagoras property. Okay, in a triangle ABC, C is 90 degree, then dash hold true. Okay, C, angle C is 90 degree, so look here, triangle A, B and C, C is 90 degrees, so opposite side means AB is hypotenuse, and according to Pythagoras, hypotenuse square is sum of other two square of other two sides. So what is true or hold true for that one? That is AB square equal to, because here AB is hypotenuse, so AB square equal to BC square plus AC square, otherwise CA square, it's same. Okay, means you just write down Pythagoras rule for that triangle. In a PQR, the side PQ and PR are equal, therefore measure of R and Q are, look, in a PQR like that, triangle PQR is there, in that PQ and PR are equal, so Q and R, they are the opposite side of equal sides, opposite angles of equal side. Okay, and we know that opposite angle of equal sides are always equal, so they are equal. Okay, these are the fill in the blanks. Now here another sums are there. Look, solve the following. In that first one is there, the tree is broken at a height of 6 meter from the ground. Its top touched the ground at distance of 8 meter from the base. Then find out original height of that tree. Okay, look here, which type of tree is there. Look here, suppose this one is tree. Okay, and is broken from 6 meter, height of 6 meter from ground, that is 6 meter. Suppose raised the height, measurement of raised height is x. Okay, and after broken that one like that. Okay, it's broken from here, and the top of that one is touched the ground from distance of base of that one, means this one is base, and that is the distance 8 meter. Okay, that one is 8 meter. Then find out original height. Now this one is measure of x because x is touched here. Okay, suppose triangle ABC is there, here right angle triangle form. Okay, so according to here ABC is right angle triangle, B is so opposite side of B, that is right angle. AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so here in triangle ABC, AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so according to Pythagoras, hypotenuse square means AC square is equal to sum of two legs means another two sides. Okay, that means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB equal to 6 means 6 square and 8 square. 6 equal to 6 square is 36 plus that is 64 and total is 100. Okay, so AC square equal to 100. So 100 means 10 square. In square form you just write down 10 square. Otherwise what to do, just find out factors of that one. 25, 5, 5 and 5, 1 means 2 times 2 is there and 2 times 5 is there. Take both numbers one time because 2 square root of that is 2 and here 5 2s are 10 means 10 square. So AC equal to 10 meter. That is the measurement of AC. Now original height. Of tree equal to, original height means from ground to top, that is x plus 6. Okay, x plus 6. X means this one, that is also x. X means this one means AC and AC equal to 10. So 10 plus 6, that is 16 meter. Okay, next another sum. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose length is 15 centimeter and a diagonal is 17 centimeter. Okay, so look here. Look, suppose the right angle is ABCD. Okay, in that length is given, suppose AB, that is 15, and one diagonal is given. You just take AC or BD, any one. Okay, because in a rectangle both diagonals are equal in measurement, so you just take AC, otherwise BD. Here we take AC, that is 17 centimeter, and BC is not there, suppose that is x centimeter. Okay, now we know that in a right angle all angles are 90 degree right angles. Okay, so here quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle. Okay, in which the AB equal to 15 centimeter and AC equal to 17 centimeter. Okay, now look, ABC triangle. Okay, so here triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Right, at angle B. Okay, B is right angle, so opposite side of that one means AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so AC is hypotenuse. Now according to Pythagoras, hypotenuse square, that means AC square equal to sum of two legs means AB square plus BC square. Okay, that is 17 square equal to AB equal to 15 square plus x square. Now change the side of this one. So x square equal to, here plus is there, we change the side, that is minus 17 square minus 15 square. 17 square minus 15 square. So x square equal to, now 17 square is 289. Minus 15 square is 225. So x square equal to 9 minus 5 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Ignore that one. Now write down 64 in square form, otherwise find out square root of 64. So x square equal to 8 square. Square is cancelled, so x equal to 8. That means BC equal to, look here, x means BC. Okay, so BC equal to 8 centimeter. That is the breadth, because BC is breadth. Now find out perimeter. Okay, perimeter of rectangle equal to, we know that is 2 times L plus B, equal to 2 times L equal to 15, it's given, and B equal to, we already find out that one, that is 8. So 2 into bracket 15 plus 8, 23, and 23 is a 2 is a 46 centimeter. That is your answer. Okay, so I already sent that paper to you. You just practice this paper and write down all sums and fill in the blanks into your notebook. Okay, another means other sums of these chapters we solve in next video. Okay, thank you.